Come join us as we attempt to head up to the land for one last time before the winter is out. But we had a surprise this week. The sun melted all the snow and dried up all the rain. So we did a 1-year anniversary of when we started doing this YouTube stuff. We'd like to thank everyone for the support, friends, family, and other YouTubers that comments and likes our stuff.
Gitchy, gitchy, ya, 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 ya.
Well,
Welcome back.
welcome back. We are heading up the highway now. We're going to try to attempt to get to the tent because
I don't think it's gonna happen.
you remember last week's video where we got stuck on Skidoo. Something happened this week. We had
Boggle.
plus weather the whole week. It went like, what was it up to? 18 for a couple of days?
Yeah.
Oh, it was hot and sunny, and then we got rain. So now,
It's currently 7 degrees.
and then it was raining there yesterday, so,
Our Skidoos are down the highway,
yeah.
so we gotta get them regardless.
Don't know what the road is like. We don't know
If there's any snow left there,
no. And, yeah, so I don't know if...
or if it's flooded down by the tent, we don't know.
We ain't got a clue, and we're going to go up and check it out. Don't know if we're even going to make it up there, but we got to get the Skidoos anyway, right?
Yep. So welcome back to the crazy adventures.
Yeah, winter is over.
Woohoo! Oh, jeez, they're still out there.
Oh yeah, the right ground Skidoo though.
Oh, he's fishing.
Lots of water on the lakes.
So you think we're getting up on Skidoo?
Not from here. Bit of mud.
Back over here.
Got out to the road anyway.
Oh, well, we're on the way to get the Skidoos. Let's see how this goes.
Recording?
Yep. The trailer's still there. It
What?
came off the board.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm. As you can see, we had to pack up to go home. But look what we see.
We got up there, we loaded up the truck and then we assessed the situation, and
We're scared.
we're worried that if we do get up there, we won't get back up over the hill because the trail seems like there's no bottom to it. So we're going to bring everything back home and call it a trip, I suppose.
Put it away for the season.
Yes, done for the season.
Know what that means? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
vacation time.
Vacation. So
We're going somewhere warm.
going somewhere warm. I hope we do. Yeah.
I hope.
So yeah, we're leaving the drive out to the island. We're flying down south, and
Then go to her daughter's grad before we come back. And hopefully it's all gone and we can go on side by side.
it's been a year now since we started this stuff, actually putting it on YouTube.
And tenting.
And tenting, that's right. It's going to be a few weeks now where there's not going to be very much uploaded. We got a couple of fillers, we'll call them, but
Not sure how well you're going to enjoy
No.
it. Don't normally fit our normal
our
content.
niche. But
But something for you to laugh at.
yes, for sure. Thanks everyone for the great year. We hit just over 200 subscribers this year.
Thank you.
We'd like to thank everyone for the year of doing this stuff on YouTube, for everyone that followed along and subscribed. It was very greatly appreciated. This year is my first time ever speaking to the camera. I had to hide in the backyard because I felt awful awkward. But anyway, as time went on, we got a little better, I guess. So there you go. This is our first time ever setting up the tent. We had some trouble. Couldn't get it to open up to save me life. But after all, we finally did it.
We're going to pass for technical difficulties. We did it, nothing to it.
Our first fire and our first full night in the tent.
Well, we got her set up. But the temperature's off now from hills, not close.
Chachi had the fire blazing for our first cooked meal
Got
on
to
the
have the
stove.
Brussels sprouts, some cheddar sausages.
And I finally realized that I swear in every second word that I say.
Asparagus, sausages, Wagyu burger, and my favorite Brussels sprouts. Ice cold iceberg.
After that, we finished our trip to Montreal, and then we flew to Mexico for the first time ever.
And started from this side over here. Porpoise down like a majestic elephant seal. And when I come up on the other side, see that ledge there with the flower pot? I come up and I whop, bang my head up that, and then come down, scraped up, and cut up my nose. Get some neat now. Recording, yeah.
Visit Chanicha.
Well, this is our last morning. We decided to come out on the beach and watch the sunrise.
Gotta go Costco too.
Yes, try to eat something good.
I got it.
And
I don't know who's gonna be first.
who's going to be the first to christen the shitter today? Big one though. Oops. Excuse me. So for dessert, we're having chicken and cheese. thunder hole. Chachi's at her thunder hole. Doing some job. Well, the sausages are done. I burned them up. Chachi's done with her thunder hole today. Well, we're pretty devastated. We come up and the snow took the tent. We got most of it cleared off now. We're gonna see what we can do. Something done to it. We got it upright. Well, we managed to get something done with it. Justy's on the pipe. What am I at now? Build outhouse. Oh, sweet Jesus! Oh, a lot of snow on her, boys. Well, guys, happy days. The tent is up. We ain't got to worry about that. Oh.
Well, Giddy got his bird. Now we just gotta figure out how to get him back. You made it!
We just got the fire lit. The beer that makes your ass juicy.
Swamp ass. They're cold.
Here's all frosty.
Yeah,
My mustache is a bit mushy. Lumpy. Snotty. That's me bang, huh? Hang it up. Oh, Jesus Christ, we got one. We got a webbit! We got a webbit! There is... Oh, we got another one! Hello? Oh, that was not good. And the burn went right through it. Oh. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna slap it. Hard. That's what you call it, a burger. Well, we had
Wet paper towel
Yeah.
and a little bit of ash.
We would like to thank everyone for watching the last year and hope you watch again for the next year. So anyways, but anyway, but anyway. So anyway, we'll see yous in, well actually, we'll see yous when we gets back.
But we'll try to record some while we're down there.
Oh yes, for sure. Hopefully in St. John's now, when we get to the Highland, we'll try to do a few breweries and stuff.
Maybe we should take the tent and torture the kids with it.
They'll be tortured enough driving around with us.
But yeah, we'll try to catch a few things along the way. Hopefully, still keep you engaged. So, don't forget
To like, subscribe,
and share.
woo!